Hello friends, in this video I gonna show you how to make your Facebook profile picture undownloadable. So if you want to make your profile picture private and you don't like anyone can download your profile picture, so just click on it. Now click on this drop down, click on more. In here select only me. So select only me. Now close it and try your Facebook. That's all. Now no anybody will be able to download your Facebook profile picture. Thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video useful for you or not.